Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing this video on the Suntegrity Impeccable Skin Foundation. They call this a tinted coverage, but to me it's like a foundation. I wear it every day like a foundation or a baby cream type of situation. And yeah, I am absolutely obsessed with it. Just gonna throw in a little disclaimer right there in the beginning. This isn't a first impressions. I've worn it like 3 times so far, and I'm just obsessed with it. I'm also going to show you what exactly this is a dupe for that I used to wear in the past like crazy, and I'm sure a lot of your favorite beauty vloggers already wear all the time. This is a clean, non-toxic, amazing, good for you dupe for this product that I'm going to show you guys. So my foundation came with this little sheet right here that tells you what it's all about. So this is a cruelty-free product. It is UV chemical-free protection, so pretty much it has sunscreen, but it's chemical-free sunscreen. It's also paraben, phthalate, and mineral oil-free, dermatologist recommended, clinically tested, non-irritating, allergy tested, natural and organic ingredients, and it is made in the USA. Those are all really good, amazing things, and a lot of those claims most makeup brands cannot say that they have. So a not non-toxic product that I would compare this to is the It Cosmetics CC Cream foundation. I used to wear this all the time. If you're not new to my channel, then you would know that this was one of my all-time favorite products to wear, until I looked into the ingredients and I found out that this really isn't so good for your body. So since I'm making the switch to clean, non-toxic beauty, I was really on the hunt looking for a product that was similar to that, because that was like my go-to every single day foundation no matter what. And then I found this, which, by the way, this is twice the size. So this is 2 ounces and this is 1 ounce. Is it 1 ounce? So this product costs around $40 and it is only 1 ounce. And this product is 2 ounces, so it is double the size, and it costs $55. And I know that's pretty pricey for a foundation. I mean, most foundations that are high-end are around that price range anyway, but I guess some of you might think this isn't a high-end foundation because it doesn't have a name like Dior or Hourglass on it. Well, to me, this is even higher end than the most high-end foundation that you can think of, because high-end to me means quality, and when a company cares about what they're putting in their product and they care about the consumer, while at the same time trying their best not to be toxic and harmful while still having really good performance, I think this to me is the highest end that you can get. And if you're in the position to buy higher end products, I think that you should go for cleaner makeup, because it's definitely better for you. And from what I've gathered from wearing cleaner products for months now, is that my skin doesn't break out or get congested like it used to, like at all. So I have this little hyperpigmentation right here on my face because I had a breakout, and that's from using so many new skincare products. Every time I do that, I keep getting a ton of new skincare, and every single time I do that, my skin purges a little bit, so it's normal. I had a pretty big zit right there, and now it left a little red mark, and it's going to be gone in a couple days, but that is nothing. If you guys knew me way back, you would know that I suffered from that every single month. I used to have such bumpy, textured skin, and I really found out it was from mostly my makeup. I also did cut dairy completely out of my diet, which helped. But once I switched my makeup, I mean, I seriously noticed the biggest difference. Like, I was in shock. And I just rarely ever break out anymore, and I think it's incredible. And just for that alone, I think it's worth the money. Even though I used to love this so much, I do remember it making my skin feel super clogged and congested, and I would get those tiny little bumps underneath my skin. And I'd rather do without that. So this is how I apply this. I use my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection. I love this brush, by the way. I'm pretty sure Kim Kardashian's makeup artist uses this. This is like the best foundation brush in the world to me. I don't know why. I don't know like what's so good about it, but I'm just obsessed with it. And I just take 1 pump to start, and I'm gonna dot this all over my face. I usually do 2, but I always start with 1 and then add more. So they claim that this is a medium coverage foundation. I would say it's around there. It's more on the lighter side, but definitely has coverage. It's just not full coverage by any means. This isn't like Estee Lauder Double Wear or something like that, you know? So I like to just press this onto the skin, and this is the first light layer. that I'm applying, and it just feels like nothing. Nothing at all, and it has literally no smell, which I love because I hate when foundations have smells more than anything. This is my second coat of paint. So this definitely has a more dewy finish, which I really love. I'm so into like the super moist look right now. That's just what I like because I feel like it's really youthful and glowy, and I love that a lot. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the 2 layers on for me, and I think this coverage is perfect for me and my skin type. But if you have more acne or scarring or hyperpigmentation or anything like that, then I highly recommend just dotting some concealer on top of those spots while still wearing a light to medium foundation underneath. I just think it's more of a natural, prettier, skin-like look to do it that way, rather than just going in with a ton of full coverage foundation right off the bat all over your face. So for example, I do have this little mark right there, so I'm going to cover that up, and I'm just going to add a little bit more on that scar that I have going on right there. This is the Saint Cosmetics concealer, and Saint Cosmetics is a clean beauty brand, and this is in the shade Light. I'm absolutely obsessed with this concealer. This to me is almost an exact dupe for the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It is phenomenal. It's really full coverage, and it's also super creamy, which I like. It's not like cakey at all. It looks really good underneath the eyes as well. So this is the skin. As you can see, it's super glowy, which I love. If you want to go and put some powder on top of that, be my guest. This is just what I like. So I have a few of these little sample sizes of some other shades. By the way, the shade that I'm in originally, like for all over the face, is the shade Buff. So if you're anything like my skin color, this is perfect. I am obsessed with this shade. I've never found a foundation that matches me so perfectly. It's incredible. So the shade I'm going to go in with right now is Bronze, and I'm literally going to use this to bronze up my skin, and this just looks so good as a liquid bronzer. I am obsessed, and I'm definitely going to get the full size. I think it's going to look a lot better in the summer when I have a little bit of a tan, because right now I'm like literally Casper, but you know. So this is what that looks like with the bronze shade. I really sheared it out because it was looking a little too bronze for me. I added a little bit too much for my pale skin, but I just love how it looks. I feel like it looks so natural and glowy and just like skin. It is perfect in my opinion. Also, really quick, I'm so excited. I got this new product in the mail the other day. It is the Maya Chia highlight of the day. So this is literally like a liquid highlighter, and I heard it's supposed to be like a dupe for the Cover FX drops, I think. I've never even tried those before, so I don't know. I can't really say, but I'm so excited. I already swatched it on my hand last night. You might have seen it on my Instagram stories, and it is so iridescent and like gorgeous. Definitely my kind of highlight, so I'm really excited. It says to shake it up really well, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna apply a few drops to complete this look, and we'll see how that looks. So this is in the shade Happy Hour. I'm just applying a few of the drops on the back of my hand and putting it on this tiny little Too Faced brush. This is called the highlighting brush actually. It's a tiny little Too Faced highlighting brush, and we'll see how that goes. Oh wow. This is crazy in the best way. Do you see that? Wow. I love like highlighters that have a pink sheen to it. It goes really well with my super pasty skin. I like golden highlights too, but it's really hard for me to pull them off unless I have a little bit of a tan. So this is like awesome. Wow. I am blown away by this highlighter. Like, do you see this? And I really added like nothing. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the back of my hand too. It just has like the most beautiful iridescent sheen. It just catches the light so beautifully. I'm obsessed with this product. Highly recommend. Don't know exactly how much it costs, but I'm going to leave the link to this as well down below. This is in the shade Happy Hour. So yeah, guys, that is it. This is what the foundation looks like. I really hope you guys go out and purchase this and try it out for yourselves. I really think a lot of you would really love this for an everyday type of foundation, and it's amazing because it does have that SPF. It is non-toxic. It's just incredible and I love it so much. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.